guys, today we're back on some more Hypixel. And as you see right here, I've downloaded 2 new mods, Optifine and the 5 Zig mod. So let's get right into the video. And guys, I got a new gaming mouse. It just arrived this morning at 12 o'clock. It's got about 15 CP. And it's silent as well. I've been working on my PvP skills and have personally mastered speed bridge. Now, I've just figured out with 17 CP, you can just solo bridge without even like crouching, but you have to crouch after like 5 blocks or something because you might fall off. Hope there's some funny things in this video because I don't know how to like edit and like put things into other videos and all that yet. Imagine if I just saw someone right there fall off. No, he's playing the safe route. At least I nearly got 12 gold for some armor. Because I had to get armor in the first game, so in duels I've got about a 5 win streak in duels from this. Constantly getting TNT and getting bases really quick. Okay guys, it's starting to lag pixel now. It's starting to lag pixel, and I hate lag pixel. That's just great. As soon as I start the video, my bed gets destroyed. No, he's blue. I'm just gonna start burning. Oh my god, I'm such a fail. It's got anti-KV. So no, everyone hacks in this game for some reason now. Oh yay! This is a straight on target map. That's yellow. This is okay, guys. What you can do with this mod is you can change the places, plus you can add different things. Like what I added is a death point thing, so if I die, it shows a death point on the map. Plus, I've done the target block. When I look at something, it shows me its ID. And I've done the light level. I don't know what light level is, but oh, I think it's a light. Yeah, it's a light. Anti-free light level. So if I look about, where should I look for this? So if I go up there and look that way, the light level will change a lot. Target below. Oh gosh, I should have known that. I want to watch something funny happen. No, the tribe rushes. No, what did he do there? Suicide. Oh God, he is a bit. What is that? Oh. Yeah, two emeralds in there as well. I just want to see someone tap. It's really. From here, you can barely see that damaging thing, and from the scene you can see it very well. Well, yay! No, them teams gonna try. No, blue team. I mean. Bye bye. I want to see this. Yay! Yay! What is this? No. You just jumped off. Well, that says my kills. Yay! You can, what? How do you get capes? Like, I don't get how people get capes. I might search that up tomorrow because I'm gonna have to go to bed in about 10 minutes. No, that's my teammate. Incoming. Right. Well. All I have to do is kill blue. Then the game has to get out of the screen done for them targeting. Damn you. They basically won the game now. Oh, what's this? What's this gonna do? Okay, so there's just one green left, and we see him directly in front of us. Oh, I'm still on my final. That's all for today, guys. Bye.